here, guys. It's here. I'm super excited because it's finally here, man. If you guys follow me on Twitter at UntieHawaii, I gotta let you guys know I was freaking out on Twitter because this is literally the biggest manual cop that I've gotten this year. I haven't been hitting as much as I used to be, unfortunately. I guess there's a lot more bots and stuff on the market now. You guys already know that I'm always using manual cops, but I finally hit like a great shoe with my manual copying skills, and I was super excited for it to come in, but it took a long time for it to ship, so I was really nervous at the same time. So I'm super relieved that it's here, man, and I'm just gonna open it up so I can show you guys exactly what it is. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Here we go, boys. I got a pair of Union Jordan 4s. You guys know what it is. This thing just dropped recently. As you guys can see on this box, it is a custom box. I think that's kind of dope. It does say Union over the top with the Jordan hands over here. I think that the colors of the box is actually really nice too. It has like that baby blue and also like this, I don't know, vanilla kind of color on here. Makes it look like ice cream actually. That's kind of dope. But this one is a size 10.5 Jordan 4, my size. And, oh, okay, I didn't know there was custom paper in here too. This is kind of dope. So I guess, wow, this is really dope. The custom paper is like all of like Jordan over here too, so that's sick. Yo, okay, okay. I think I am sold on these things. They look pretty sick, dude. They look pretty nice. So as you guys know, this is the Jordan 4 Union LA. This thing just dropped a couple weeks ago on Union LA's website. And this is a very highly controversial shoe, mainly because a lot of people in the beginning, including myself, I'll say it straight up, I don't care. I did not like the shoe because the tongue was very strange to me. Like when you guys see that tongue, it's different because it's like down and it just doesn't look right. A Jordan 4 tongue is usually like a big tongue. And that's what I liked about the Jordan 4s. And when they put this thing down in the images and stuff, nobody really liked it, and that's how I felt as well. But then Union LA actually showed that you can cut off the tongue and it actually folds up instead. So if you guys look close over here, you guys can see there's like yellow stitchings running throughout the tongue over here, and you can also see that it's kind of hanging out the backside. I think there's like some loose threads over here. So basically you just cut this off, pull it out, and then the tongue flips up. And so when they showed that the tongue could open up, a lot of people got on board with it, and I gotta tell you guys, I'm a lot of people. I was one of those people where I was like, you know, that tongue looks sick now, I'm down with it. It's a cool little gimmicky thing, but I still think that the shoe is a lot better now. And I made a whole video about it. I told you guys straight up, like, I changed my opinion on it. I really like it now, and you know, it was weird because a lot of people were flaming me in the comments for it. They were saying, oh man, what a hype beast, you changed the tongue or something and now you want the shoe all of a sudden. It's like, yeah, I do. Like, it's okay to change your opinion, guys. Like, it's okay to have a different opinion from what you thought of it originally. Like, your opinions change, people change, you have a different mindset of things, and that's okay. But apparently on the internet, like, people are so like grounded where it's like, once you have an opinion of something, right, you can't change it. And I think that's so like rigid, and it's just not a good thing. So I was fine with it. I don't care. Like, it's fine if people think that I'm like a hype beast or whatever, but the tongue for me was the only thing that was holding me back from liking the shoe, and they changed the tongue. So now I like the shoe. It's pretty simple. There's nothing to explain there. And maybe because I did change my tune of it, maybe that's why I got lucky when I copped it online. Maybe that power of positive thinking is actually a real thing. But yeah, this thing is now going for, I think it dropped in price. Originally, when it first dropped, it was going for like $1,200 in the resale market, which is wild. They retail for $250, so that's like almost a 5 times markup. Very, very high, very good resale. But I believe they dropped down to about $850 now. And the reason why is because they are re-releasing this shoe again. And I have no problem with that, guys. I think that's actually a good thing, so more people can get them, because I want people to see these things in hand and, you know, change their own opinion of it, because I think it's a good shoe. They will be releasing on October 16th for this colorway, the Off-Noir. The Guava Ice, it looks like they were only exclusive for Union LA's like web store and stuff, because they're not releasing on Sneakers app. I only saw this one and the other 2 shoes that was also mentioned, and then I think they also have like some of the Union LA like merch and stuff dropping as well. I didn't really like the merch. I was thinking about copying it when I was on the website, but I don't know. I just don't really like it. I know there's some resale value on it, so if you guys are trying to cop it on October 16th, don't forget to try to get the clothing as well, because there is some resale. But yeah, personally, it's just not something that I would wear, so I didn't want to cop it. I highly recommend you guys do cop this shoe. If you guys check it out up close over here, one of the cool things is that it has yellow laces that goes with the shoe as well. I think it will look better with the yellow laces. It does remind me of like the Union ones, that's why. So I would switch that out. Additionally, on the other shoe, you guys probably saw it, but over here it does have that custom Union tag as well. So this thing is really sick. I do like that it matches the color of the box. Very cool. It grew on me a lot, and I think that this is a great executed shoe, you know? Like, they did like a perfectly great marketing ploy for it, made everybody kind of pissed off about the tongue, and then they came out and they're like, you know, we're changing the one thing that people don't like, and boom, now it's a success. So definitely one that you want to cop if you guys don't have it yet. I would recommend not buying it at resale anywhere though until October 16th, because prices will come down again once like the sneakers drop happens. So Don't try to cop them now if you guys really want it. Like, just kind of hold off for a month and then try to cop it then. Then that way you can hopefully save some money and that will work out better for you. Okay, so let me see if I can actually pull open this tongue too. I'll do this on camera for you guys because I've been waiting for this one for a long time. And it's a personal cop for me, so I'm not trying to like sell it. So I want to see if I can like pull off this threading already. Oh my gosh, that took forever. Okay, boys, I finally got it. That took literally, like, I had to stop the camera because it was about to overheat. It took me a good 10 minutes, so this is not an easy thing to take off. Maybe I was just doing it wrong, but I did get all of the thread out finally, so that's good. But yeah, you guys can see this is what it looks like when it is folded up now. So definitely looks more like a Jordan 4. But now, actually, that I'm seeing it, don't tell me I'm gonna change my mind on this again. This tongue is a little bit higher than what the Jordan 4 tongue is. This isn't like a normal height tongue. Like the Jordan 4's tongue is supposed to be like maybe half that size. The problem is that once you guys pull this off, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get this back on. Like, it's gonna take a long time. So make sure that you guys want to switch it up if you guys want it up, because it's gonna take so long to put back, and it's like not something that you can do like easily. But I guess if you wanted, you could just kind of like fold it down like this and walk around like this. Oh my gosh, that looks horrible. Never mind. That looks horrible. Don't do that. Don't do that. You'll be made fun of. But yeah, this is what it looks like with the tongue up. But yeah, guys, that is the Jordan 4 Union. I'm sure a lot of you guys tried to cop this one and you weren't able to get it. It really doesn't come down to like bots or anything like that, because it was pretty easy for me when I was doing it manually. Like, I just went in, you know, waited there exactly the time that it was going to drop, and then when it was time, I just refreshed the page, and I was patient, man. Like, the checkout window took kind of a long time. Like, to load the shipping inside of Shopify, it took like maybe 30 seconds, where at that point in time I was like, you know what, I did not get this shoe. It's taking too long. Should I refresh the page? And I think that's where a lot of people got messed up, is they will probably refresh that page there. But if you guys were patient, I just waited. Then it actually switched over to the next page and I was able to check out. So that is the difference, man. Just gotta have patience, guys. Like, once you're in, you should be in. So just take your time on that. And if you guys get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. That's how manual copying goes. You will get some sometimes and sometimes you won't. But patience was definitely key, and we were able to cop this one. So I was super happy about this. I don't know if I want to get the guava ice one. That one is a little bit too crazy for me. This one was the one that I was going for, and I'm just really happy that I got it. Anyway, guys, that is actually it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, man, and I hope you guys are able to cop your own pairs of Jordan 4 Unions when they drop again on October 16th. It will be on Sneakers app, and you guys probably will need a little bit of luck. I believe it is a draw format, so for the most part, that means an L for me. But hopefully you guys are able to get one. Good karma, keep it positive. If you guys like this video, maybe that will help as well. So don't forget to hit that like button down below. It will help you guys get that Jordan 4 Union on October 16th. Maybe. It doesn't hurt to try. And it doesn't hurt to support the channel. So hit that like button down below, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. And I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!